Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. And how are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would help you to gain weight. Like, you are going to begin to get fat, like healthy fat. Okay, now this ingredient is for the skinny ladies, okay, that is hoping to gain weight. Yeah, I know there are some people who do not want to get fat at all. There are also people who want to gain weight, who are super skinny and they want to gain weight. Now the good part of this is that you're going to gain a healthy weight, okay, which is very good, because this home remedy is going to help you achieve that. So let me take you right into this video, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe. Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is for the skinny ladies. Okay, this is tiger nut. All right, so I'm sure you do know what tiger nut is. This is actually very healthy, okay. And for skinny ladies, if you're actually very skinny and you want to get fat, you know, add those right places. You're going to give this a go, and there are more benefits to this tiger nut other than just gaining weight. Okay, there are so much benefits to it, which I'm gonna be telling you at the end of this video, so stay put. Oopsie. So stay put guys, yeah, so that you can get all of the full gist and all of the full benefit. So how you're gonna do this, you are gonna be blending it. Okay, I'm gonna blend. Okay guys, so after doing that, we're gonna be extracting the milk. Now for you to get fats and healthy fats, you have to take much of this tiger nut milk. Okay, just the milk of this tiger nut is basically what you're going to be needing. So extracting the milk and other ingredients that would help you and make this treatment work really well. So I've extracted the first one, and now I'll have to be doing the second one. Now tiger nut has a whole lot of milk, so you can actually decide to just pour in more water so that the milk will be extracted and you have a whole lot of milk. Okay, okay, so after extracting that, then we'll turn that in. Wow, we have a whole lot of milk. Okay, so now the next ingredient is our full creamy milk, like full cream milk. Okay, you have to buy the milk that is full cream, okay, and that is what is going to make this really work. So I'll turn my milk into my tiger nut milk. That's literally everything here is milk, tiger nut milk, and the normal cow full cream milk. And then we're gonna be needing yogurts. Now look at that, this yogurt contains fura. Okay, this yogurt contains fura, so you can actually get a yogurt that actually contains fura and your problem is solved. So I'm gonna be transferring that into this. So I'm gonna be drinking out of this a little so that I can have space to put more ingredients, because this has to be really thick so that it could actually help for the fatness. Okay, so another ingredient which we're going to be needing, which is very important here, is egg. And in here you're going to be boiling the egg. I just boiled this egg. It's actually still very hot. Okay, so you're going to be needing boiled egg. For those of you who cannot actually take raw egg, boiled egg is going to be better for you. Okay, so this is the remaining of the milk, the cow milk, not tiger nut milk, the cow milk. And what I'm going to do is to blend the egg with the milk. Okay, so this is it. Turning in the egg in. Oh my god, this is going to be really healthy. And the next ingredient is this, and this is yam. This is actually a boiled yam. Okay, so to gain weight you need some level of natural carbohydrates. And since it's not going to be really easy for you to just sit down and be eating boiled yam, you would have to blend it and put it in. So I'm going to be pouring in just a little bit of the juice from here, and then I'm going to be using that to blend the yam. Okay, so after blending this yam, that is actually what is going to make our drink really thick, because your drink has to be thick, guys. Okay, so after that I'm just stirring it so that the yam can be dissolved inside. And you can actually use a spoon to scoop this and drink, or you can decide to drink it this way. If you're actually skinny, you have a solution. This is actually going to make you get fat gradually, okay? And those fats are just going to be an healthy fat. It is not a sweet fat, neither a soda fat, but an healthy fat that will be deposited in your body, and this fat is going to be really healthy. So you can take this morning, afternoon, evening. You can see all of the ingredients in it are very natural. Morning, afternoon, evening, and trust me, you're going to see that you're going to be really healthy. Like, all of the fat is going to be deposited at the right places, and your skin is going to really glow, yeah, because of the lactic acid of milk and yogurt in it. You're going to be loving it, so go try it out. And I'm loving this already. Like, I've actually been drinking it even as I'm doing it. So this is actually mine. This is really delicious. Okay, So that's it, guys. This is not only going to make you gain weight, it's going to deposit that fat at the right places, and you are going to be loving yourself. Okay guys, so I would see you again. If you do love this video, I'm sure you do, because this drink is very healthy. It smells good, it tastes good, it looks good, like everything about it is excellent. Yeah, okay, so if you do love the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye.